What are common reasons JavaScript code won't execute? Imagine trying to start your car and it just won't turn over. Sometimes, JavaScript code behaves the same way, refusing to run even when you think everything is set up correctly. Understanding why this happens can save you a lot of time and frustration. When you write JavaScript, the first thing to check is your development environment. If your code is in the wrong file or not linked properly to your web page, it simply won't run. Make sure your script tags are correctly placed inside your HTML and that the file paths are accurate. Next, look out for syntax errors. These are mistakes like missing parentheses, brackets, or semicolons. Even a small typo can stop all your code from executing. Browsers usually show an error message pointing to the exact line where the problem is. Another common reason is reference errors. If you try to use a variable or function that hasn't been declared yet, JavaScript will throw an error and halt execution. This often happens if you forget to declare a variable or misspell its name. Type errors are also frequent. For example, if you try to call a method on a variable that is null or undefined, JavaScript can't perform the operation. This can happen if you forget to check whether a value exists before using it. When working with web pages, DOM or document object model errors can occur. If your script runs before the HTML elements are loaded, it can't find those elements and will stop. To fix this, make sure your code runs after the page has fully loaded, often by placing your script at the bottom of the HTML or using event listeners. Handling null or undefined values improperly can cause issues too. If your code assumes a value exists without checking, errors will follow. Always verify that variables have valid data before using them. Cross-browser compatibility can also be a problem. Some JavaScript features work in one browser but not in another. Testing your code across different browsers helps catch these issues early. Lastly, problems with your development environment itself can prevent code from running. This includes incorrect file paths, server issues when using Node.js, or browser settings blocking scripts. To avoid these problems, double-check your setup, use developer tools to see error messages, and test in multiple browsers. Using tools like code linters and browser consoles can help you identify issues quickly. Remember, most JavaScript execution problems come down to simple mistakes or setup issues. Carefully reviewing your code, ensuring proper placement, and testing in different environments will help your code run smoothly every time.